Yeah, we sailing city lights to the sea. Good vibes only, that's the life, that's the key. TJsDestinations, we move worldwide. Cruising with the wave, let the moment ride.
I got the tag, my bad.
I got something to say.
Destinations.
It's TJ. It's TJ. It's TJ.
I'm on Royal Caribbean's Quantum of the Seas. And guess what I'm about to do? That's right. The North Star. Yes, I'm doing the North Star. Here are a couple of stipulations. You cannot weigh over 300 pounds. Kids 42 inches or smaller cannot do it. Kids that are 48 inches or smaller have to be accompanied by a 14-year-old or older. This ride extends up to over 300 feet, up and out over the water. Check this out. Oh yeah, they're up there. They're swinging out over the ocean. When you come into the North Star area, you want to come over here and you're going to check in over here. They'll check you in, so make sure you come 5-10 minutes before time. And then they're going to weigh everybody. Again, you cannot weigh over 300 pounds because there's a max weight for that, so they need a total weight for the machines. And then here is the height scale right here. You must be taller than 42 inches. And if you're 48 inches or smaller, you must be accompanied by a 14-year-old or older. We are on our way up. You have a short flight of stairs to climb up to get to the capsule. That was one flight. And you have a second flight. And they do have a elevator here for ADA, so don't worry about that. If you have a walker or a wheelchair, they accommodate you for that. So here we are about to walk into the capsule. How you doing? There we go.
Good, sir. Beautiful watch.
Oh, yes. So you enter the capsule right here. Look at these great views from up here. So we are here in the capsule and we're waiting for a couple more people before we go up.
The screen is on the side, not the screen was always.
All right, guys. Good morning, guys. Welcome to North Star. My name is Michael, your push button guy. Just be mindful of this, please. Never touch anything or press anything in the bottom. Okay? Now hold the handles for me. Okay, now let go. We're going up 300 feet above sea level, as high as the Liberty in New York. Okay, we're going up 300 feet and then we go over to the side of the ship. Enjoy the ride, enjoy the view. If you want me to take photos, let me know, don't hesitate. Okay, thank you. You can turn around.
Oh, it's okay. I'm good right now.
We are on our way up.
Not sure about this.
Great views, look at that. The quantum siren, that's great. Look at this. Uh-oh, here we go. About to go over to the side. Here we go.
Let me know, I press the button.
So there's the ship, and we're going over to the side.
Or no, we're going higher. We're going to the side first and then we're going up. Oh, okay.
Look at it, it's so weird.
Yeah, it's like, here we go. We are over the ocean. Oh yeah, you're doing great. Oh no, you're good. You're good.
He was crying.
I said at one point, I said, okay, I'm done now.
Oh, listen, I like the daring stuff.
Is parasailing.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Bring us around
That I want to do that next.
I would love to do this.
I have a good idea. You guys go together and I'll do your camera for you. How's that?
This is nice.
Ocean view.
Seattle.
We are at 300 feet right now.
Couldn't get her to walk out.
There's like,
Wow.
the old Sears building, what it's called now in Chicago, that's that thing.
Willis.
Willis, yeah. Where you go out, it sticks out from the building.
Now we're going down.
I was like,
Thank you.
there.
Hey guys, enjoy the rest of the views.
Thank you. The North Star is a great experience. You get about 15 minutes up there, and 360 views is great. I recommend it. If you're afraid of heights, do not do that. But yeah, it's a great experience. $40. You should try it. North Star and Quantum of the Seas. I'm TJ with TJ's Destinations. I'm out.